If you want to list your domain name on GoDaddy Auction, I'll show you the exact steps in this quick and easy tutorial. This is a great way to put your domain in front of buyers and start the selling process right from your GoDaddy domain portfolio. And if you have more than one domain, the bulk listing option can save you a lot of time. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button if this video helps and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where all of your registered domains are listed in one place. Once you're inside the portfolio, look through the list and find the domain or domains you want to sell. If you only want to list one domain, just check the box next to it. If you want to list multiple domains at once, you can select the checkboxes for each domain you want to include. And if you want to choose everything in your portfolio, use the checkmark icon and then select all. After you've selected the domains, look for the action menu at the top. From there, choose List for Sale. Depending on your screen size or device, you may not see it right away, so you might need to open the More menu to find the List for Sale option. This is completely normal, especially if you're on a smaller screen. Once you click it, select Get Started to begin the listing process. Now GoDaddy will ask you to enter a price for your domain. You can type in your own listing price if you already know what you want to sell it for. If you're not sure how to price it, you can also select Use Est, Value to Use. GoDaddy's estimated value as a starting point. This can be helpful if you want a quick benchmark, but it's still a good idea to think carefully about pricing based on your domain's length, keywords, and overall market demand. After you choose your price, select Next to publish your listing. At this point, GoDaddy may ask you to complete identity verification. This happens for domains with domain protection, and it's an important security step. If you've had two-step verification turned on for at least 24 hours, GoDaddy may send a code by SMS or allow you to use the code from your Authenticator app. If you haven't had two-step verification enabled long enough, GoDaddy will send a one-time password to the email address linked to your account. Enter the correct code to verify your identity and continue. Once verification is complete, finish listing your domains with your Afternic account. This step helps connect your domain listing to the broader marketplace, which can increase visibility for potential buyers. Just follow the prompts on screen, confirm the details, and complete the setup. After that, your domain will be listed and ready for buyers to see. And that's it. You've now learned how to list your domain name on GoDaddy Auction the right way. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it becomes even faster if you're listing multiple domains at once. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.